In today's video, we are going to show you how to open a Vinted account and get started with selling or buying pre-loved clothes. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is open your favorite browser and then type in www.vinted.com and press enter. What will happen is you will be forwarded to the official website of Vinted, and as you may notice on the top corner, there is an option that says sign up or log in. I want you to click on it. You see, you will be forwarded with multiple easy options. You can sign up using your Google, with your Apple, or with your Facebook account. But if you wanted to use your business or personal email, just click this button right here and you will be forwarded to the sign up form. I need you to provide your full name. For example, I'm gonna type in fixbotics, your username, okay, your email password, which is unique, and your zip code, and I want you to click all these boxes if you'd like to receive offers, and of course you are agreeing to the terms and condition, and click the continue button. If you do, what will happen is you will be forwarded to the main dashboard of Vinted, and of course you can start selling your items here easily. And basically that's it for today's video on how to open an account here in Vinted. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.